What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a real quick nail set or whatever. You guys are going to notice that this video is short, y'all. It's short. Be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you end up liking it, and definitely subscribe if you're not already. If you're a new subscriber, shout out. We do have Madam Glam in the cup. We got Madam Glam foil and the foil gel in the mini. We unboxed those on the advent calendar last year. We also have the silicone tool, which, as you guys can see, I'm not crazy about this silicone tool. I would love to see like an example of it being used. Maybe it probably is better if you're doing short nails, but for long nails, I find it challenging. I would probably like a XL version of it, for example. But anyways, we are going in with our 3XL square tips. These are on my Amazon storefront, which you guys probably heard by now how you can get to the Amazon storefront. If not, just go to the link underneath my name on my YouTube channel, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. If you click on that, it takes you to like my about section on YouTube, and that has all my discount codes, all my links, tells you a little bit about my channel, everything like that, and also has my Amazon storefront. We are going in with this cheetah foil. You guys are gonna see, like, you guys have seen me use foil like 5 or 6 times on my channel. I swear. I don't know how to do it. I always fail. Every single time. I'd be like, can you not fail? Can you not fail? Like, I'd be putting forth my best effort. Today I was like, this time, I was like, I'm gonna use a silicone tool. I'm gonna take my time. There is a method to it. I don't really know it. Don't really care. So anyways, and the end result, which I'm not really that happy about, to be honest. You're not really even gonna see the foil on this nail at all. It all ends up having no art. As you can see, I kind of got tired of trying to like do it correctly. I was like, oop, I was like, nah, it's not gonna come out perfect. So I just went ahead and did my best. We'll see what it looks like. And it always turns out like that. Uh, Foil is tough because, like, if you get oil on the back side of the foil, like, I think that they should come with a sticker on the box that says, do not come into contact with, natural oil or natural skin, or, something to make sure, because as soon as any natural oil gets onto the back side of the foil, it will not work. It will not adhere properly. Then also there's a little bit of a trick when it comes to how long you cure the foil gel, because you want to cure it just enough. You don't want to under or over cure it. I believe that they say that more or less between 45 to 60 seconds, or more or less like 60 seconds is a good time, but definitely no more than that. So like around 45, I'd be like, okay, can I pull it out? Depending on how charged my lamp is. Like if it's a fully charged lamp, I might pull it out at about 50 seconds, 52 seconds or something like that. But I don't think that I saw any specific instructions when I unboxed these products. That was a long time ago. You guys can always go back and see that on my channel. So anyways, here we are. I should have just put some music on because I don't even know what to tell y'all. Oh, well, I guess I should tell you about the nail art design. I failed. I didn't like it. I'm trying to see where those nails are even at. I don't even, that's how you know I didn't like it. Hold on. So they did come out good. It's because I always just am too critical. It's like if it doesn't come out exactly how I envisioned it, then I'm like, ugh, I don't like it. But they did come out good. I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all them. That took forever. Gosh, and I still don't have all of them. I'm missing one. Oh, it was because I didn't know how to do a snowflake. There it is. Yeah, I tried to add snowflakes, and well, first I did the angel, and I was like, I don't like the angel that much. And then I tried to do snowflakes, and I was like, oh God, I didn't do the snowflakes. I did okay. It's just I would like rather redo this set and like plan it out a little better, but it came out nice. It's one of those things that I know when I put it up for display, everyone's gonna be like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then ironically, ever since I did the snowflakes, I've been seeing like people's snowflakes. Those little commercial snowflakes on Instagram are so lame. Like, I don't know. I don't really like them. So, but you guys are gonna see like I don't think you're gonna see the snowflakes, but you'll see the end result. I don't think you're gonna see me put them on, but I think you'll see the end result. But anyways, back to this Madam Glam. This is just blue foil. It's just called blue foil. But it is so beautiful. It's literally so cute. I'm like, oh my gosh. But see, it says all the all the directions say it's used with foil gel. That's all it says. That's not very descriptive. So I was like, because you see how like I got some oil on there on the back side and I ruined the foil. So you really have to be careful. You live and you learn, they say. You live in there. Okay, whatever. Anyways, I think mm, I'm trying to think if there's anything I want to talk to you guys about. Oh, yeah. So I went in with No Reserve LA. Um, well, first off, the base color that we have is pistachio, which you guys are going to see more than once on my channel. And this is from Madam Glam, and I really, really, really love it. And then, was it pistachio? I thought it was. I really want to use that color, but wait, let me double confirm. Yeah, it was pistachio. Yeah. So we went in with the blue foil and then the pistachio, which turned out very cute. And oh, and then we went in with you guys are gonna see that we went in with No Reserve LA, the white addict, and I added like icicles and I put a string glitter on top, a iridescent string glitter, which ended up looking super cute. And also a little bit of the magnetic cat eye, the holographic magnetic cat eye by Born Pretty. So yeah, look at that. So literally so beautiful. I love it. It's so pretty. Such a flawless application. Actually, I did a girl's nails with those yesterday. With that color actually, and came out flawless. I'm gonna be showing y'all that video. I have to edit it. Surely I gotta edit it. So anyways, I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, I suppose. I don't think I really have a lot to talk about because I'm dropping a 1 hour video. I've already filmed it, so you guys probably see that before you see this. And also the zombie nail art challenge. I want you guys to let me know how you end up liking it because I am so excited about it. I just cannot even wait. And before you notice, I'm gonna be back with another video. We have also another Madam Glam video coming up, and I got two Madam Glam videos, three Madam Glam videos already set up. Well, two already set up, and one that's gonna be set up. And I definitely want to know how you guys enjoyed the Young Nails acrylic application. It was like some raw footage for you guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. And hold on a second. Hold on. Mm, All right, perfect. So, um, the application is something else. And I also want to know how you guys liked when I did these little cute nails. I think I did so good. They're so cute. I haven't even taken pictures. I don't know. Sometimes I get so bougie over my nail art and I don't even care to put it on Instagram or anything. I just be like, it's so beautiful. And I just admire it to myself because, like, even these ones are super cute. Like, I am obsessed. And I noticed that my mic has been cutting it out whenever maybe I have to do this and talk, or maybe I have to do it without talking. Or maybe I just can't do it at all. I don't know. The microphones, they be smart. Y'all see this fly? Man, I don't know where these flies came from, but they just decided they wanted to start living here. I'm like, no, get out. And they're like, I'm like, y'all gotta go. I'm trying to get to the end results with y'all so I could give y'all my reaction because I don't know. I'm kind of excited to like see the end result on camera. But when y'all see I'm not showing y'all the example. I mean, I'm not showing y'all the footage of doing the angel, but when y'all see how all that dang on uh cheetah print got wiped over, what am I doing? Oh, I'm adding a base coat gel or a top coat gel, one or the other for the glitter. It's probably the top coat, needless to say, because you can't add base coat, you need top coat. So yeah, so that it could stick. I'm boring. I'm boring. Oh, this fly insists on and messing with me. Dang, you rude, bro. You mad rude. I gotta make sure I cover up my food around these flies. Mm-mm. Hold on, y'all. Fly on the loose. Fly on the loose. Fly on the loose. Leave me alone, you little fly. He's like, I like them nails. It's the angels. They're like, we like those nails. Oh, so what was my motivation, my inspiration? I don't even know. So that's kind of why I'm a little insecure about this set. Y'all will always see that. I get insecure about them because I didn't know. See how I did good on one, but not the other snowflake? One of them I added 2 layers. That was a mistake. So you just want to add one good top coat snowflake as best you can on the first attempt. Do not try it again. So that's kind of where I messed up. So then I was like, I need to redo that one nail in order to have like something I could feel confident in. So that's why I didn't even put them on. But please drop your comments. Let me know what you guys think. Also, feel free to direct message me over on Instagram at Scorpion Goddess Nails and visit my blog. I love you guys so much. I'll holla till next time, y'all. Peace.